Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you have been blocked error on any website in Windows. If you're using Windows in your PC or in your laptop, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open any website on your browser, you might see the error that you have been blocked. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just simply open your browser, and in your browser, you just have to try to clear your cache of your browser. So just tap on the three dots here and just select delete browsing data, or you can also select history, then tap on history here, and now you can delete your browsing data from here. Just tap on delete browsing data and just select all time, scroll down and tap on delete data. Select this option over here, so it will clear all your browsing data, your history, and all of your cache of your browser. So if there will be any bug inside your website data, it will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. So after deleting your website data, you have to retry. Or if you are connected to any kind of VPN, it might be your extension or your installed VPN on your PC. So you can try to disconnect with that. So after disconnecting, you have to retry to check if it's fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so tap on three dots here and just go to settings. In settings, very first go to reset settings and tap on reset settings to their original or default. Then tap on reset setting. So it will reset all over your browser settings. Then tap on about browser name. Here I have Chrome, so I'm tap on about Chrome. If you have any other browser, just select that from here and then check for the latest update here. If you find any latest update, just try to update your browser. Once updated, just open a new tab, and here you have to close your recent tabs and then retry it to check if it's fixed your issue or not. So after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so we just have to search here VPN. You can also search for VPN extension. So I'm gonna add extension to my browser here. Just search for VPN extension and open the Chrome Web Store website here. There's a free VPN. So I'm gonna open this website here, and you might see an extension of free VPN or VEEPN. I'm gonna add it to my Chrome. Just tap on add to Chrome and then tap on add extension. So your extension will be added to your Chrome on this section over here. Just wait for some loading. So once your extension has been added, just tap on this free version if you want to use free version. Or you can also get premium, but I'm gonna tap on continue with limited, then tap on next, then tap on done. So your VPN is now added to your browser. So let's see how can you connect with this. Just tap on this extension option here and then select VPN or tap on VPN. Just wait for a minute and tap on continue. Or you can also tap on start with premium version, but I'm gonna use the free version here. Just wait for the cross option here, or you can also tap on continue with free and then tap on this cross option over here. Now you just have to tap on this power option to connect with VPN. So once your VPN has been connected, you have to retry, and this time you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.